A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. The Jamaican dollar continues to strengthen, reaching its highest value in 3 months today. This as the US dollar was being sold for $128.50 in trading. The value of that currency has declined for the past 14 consecutive trading days, with the level of losses tempered by the Bank of Jamaica purchasing $12 million on Friday. The Canadian dollar declined as well and now trades at $98.94. The pound sterling is going for $166.38, while the euro is costing $146.61. Negril has long lagged behind Montego Bay and Ocherius as centers of tourism, but if Ed Bartlett has his way, Negril will welcome as many visitors as the other two resorts. Mr. Bartlett outlined the vision right after touring the recently opened Azul Sansatori Hotel in Negril. Dashan Hendricks reports.
Two new hotels, the Azul Sensatori and Royalton, are opening in Negril, bringing 800 additional rooms to that town.
And what it means is that Negril now is becoming a center as important in terms of room count as Montego Bay, which is the largest center for tourism in Jamaica.
The room count in Negril is now close to 6,000, about 1 in every 6 hotel rooms in the country. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett wants more of those rooms in Negril.
We feel that Negril is in line to be an example and a model of how we can recover from what could almost be over-tourism into a center of bustling activity with strong economic potential for job creation and to build prosperity.
But he says he's keenly aware the infrastructure in Negril at present does not have the capacity to accommodate the amount of tourists he would love to see visiting the town each year. A new council to be launched on July 12 to fix that issue as developments are proposed, as well as
driving the whole business of keeping Negril clean, keeping Negril green and fresh, and also to look at the infrastructure needs of Negril, particularly water, and of course security and community development.
Mr. Bartlett says Negril, the capital of leisure, will also be twinned with the city of Miami Beach, the capital of pleasure. The benefits are expected to be enormous. Negril won't be the only beneficiary. For the Business Day, I am Dashan Hendricks.
The price of oil rose more than 2% today. Oil to deliver in August closed up $1.03 or 2.2% to $47.07 a barrel. Mayberry Investments says it will accept the Scotia Group's offer of $38 per share for its holding in Scotia Investments. Scotia Group recently said it intends to purchase all the minority shares in its subsidiary, Scotia Investments, with the intention being to take the company off the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Mayberry, which is the second largest shareholder of Scotia Investments, signed a deal pledging to sell its stake to Scotia Group for the proposed price of $38 per share. The sale is expected to yield $360 million for Mayberry Investments, and it says it will use that money to finance other investments, including increasing its stake in the Scotia Group. And stocks ended mostly lower today, but gains chiefly in the price of Scotia Group shares sent the main JC Market Index up more than 1,705 points, while the Junior Market Index lost 26. Among the stocks posting gains today were Burrito Investments, Grace Kennedy, Main Event Entertainment, Pulse Investments, Scotia Group, and T-Tech. On the losing end were Berger Paints, Dolphin Cove, Jamaica Producers, Kingston Wharves, the NCB Financial Group, and the Sagicor Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.